Vetrocademy is a platform that builds capabilities and enables success. Vetrocademy Leadership Development Program has 6 modules. First, learning Vetropack is about strategy and making commitments. Second one is engaging in change. So here we learn about how people can lead in time of change. Third one is about leadership essentials. So it's more like basic leadership skills, and then followed by developing high-performing teams. It's about team development, how to develop your direct reports. Then Module 5 is about enhancing efficiency. Here we focus quite a lot about project management. Finally, we have the reaching global trends. It's about sustainability. So it has always key target groups, and once we develop those key target groups, this time is a leader, and then they will develop. This will ensure Vetropack's sustainable growth. Why leader as the first one is because they create the culture, and also they are the one who drives the strategy.
A good leader for me is someone who is able to empower his direct reports, to support their creativity, self-awareness, to get their trust, and someone who can build fair, open relationships within the team. This program came into my professional way in the right time. It was shortly after I had been promoted to a new job function of IMS manager. So I really welcome this opportunity for developing myself and for learning how to become a good or a better leader.
The target is clear, and the tools help us in the daily work, especially also when I think about sustainability, which is one of the 5 strategy directions. It is a daily work to think sustainable, and also to keep this in mind every day, but also just about the implementation of certain projects, for example, we are using these techniques every day. I think it was very supportful, and I also think that it keeps our team together.
Let's say I used to be a leader for many years, but Vetrocademy showed me that you never finish to learn, or you can even learn more. And it's a never-ending process to go ahead and to learn even things you didn't aware before. And that was the challenge to me. This made the whole thing interesting to me.
So the main message I have to my team, my direct report, is to apply directly the tools we learn during the Vetrocademy, to avoid to forget what we have learned. It's really important, because if you don't that, you will forget and you will not apply, so there will no improvement. So it's really important. The big message is apply directly.
I think you have to invest your personality, your power, your engagement, and then you can also take profit out of it and learn. And I think this is what I did, but this is also what I can recommend to others that start a journey like that.